Hello everyone, today we will learn to make a landscape wallpaper. First, we will determine the size of the artboard. I made it with sizes like this. You can follow it. Make a rectangle the size of an artboard and fill it with a soft color, and the stroke line is removed. Lock layer 1 and add a new layer. Make a simple shape like this. You can use the pen tool or the curvature tool. Then give it a gradient color. Set the color like this. Use the color picker to take the color from the background and change it a bit. Draw other shapes to make it look interesting. You can follow your imagination and draw to completion. Now it's time to save in PNG format. Okay. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, so YouTube will recommend this video to other friends. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell to get the latest video updates from this channel. Thank you.